Then number 3, the fastest man in the world this year, Emmanuel Wanyoni. Then number 4, Collins Kipruto. And then number 5, from Kilgoris, Nara County, Wycliffe Kunyamal Kisasi. Then number 6, Alex Ngeno Kinetic, National Kenya Prison Service and national champion. Then number 7, Cornelius Ray, KDF. And then number 8 is Elias Ngeng. Let's appreciate them, ladies and gentlemen. 2 laps of this track and only starter. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's appreciate these runners as we go through the technical bits of starting some of these races. As you watch Emmanuel Wanyoni, the fastest man of the year, Kinyamal, National Police Service champion, Kinyamal, the man from Masaila, during the relays, the nationals, amazingly well Kinyamal. Ferguson Rotich, silver medalist, Olympics. Silence for the start, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, there we go, ladies and gentlemen, 800 meters finals. 2 of these runners will make the Kenya national team automatically. And the last lot will be left to the organizers as we wait for Wanyoni. Wanyoni right in front of that park in 2nd position. Kinyamal is there. Ferguson Rotich. The man right at the back there is Ngeng from Alex Ngeno, national from the Kenya Prison Service. Let's appreciate them, ladies and gentlemen. Hooray, video, very good. Let's appreciate them. Wanyoni there is. 1 lap to go, ladies and gentlemen. 1 lap to go. That's not a way Wanyoni anaongoza. Wanyoni now taking the lead. The man with the fastest time. This is what Wanyoni is taking the lead now. Well, that is Wanyoni. Also happy Emmanuel Wanyoni taking the lead. Closely followed by the national champion. Now 210 meters to go. Kinyamal is coming. Wanyoni is there. Nakwambia 200 meters to go. 150 meters to go. It is now in the way. You can imagine. Nakwambia hapo leo vijana mesa vijana anasema mbinguni na nchi yes mambo ndivyo we see the celebration of the